Most beginners don't fail at dropshipping because their store looks bad. They fail because they choose the wrong product. And here's the scary part. That product can waste your weeks of time, burn your ad budget, and kill your motivation and make you think like dropshipping doesn't work. Meanwhile, experienced dropshippers find winning product every single week. So what's the difference? They follow the proven product research system. Hey guys, 𝗀𝗚 here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to find a winning product step by step, even if you are completely beginner. Plus, I'll show you guys how Fulfillman.com will help you with source and validate and scale winning product without dealing with usual suppliers headache. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because one winning product can literally change your entire dropshipping business. So without wasting more time, let's get started. The first strategy is the trend analysis. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is they sell random product without knowing the market demand. One of the best and free tools to know about the market demand is Google Trends. Go to trend.google.com, select your country and time. You can type product idea like portable blender, pet hair remover, posture corrector, LED galaxy projector, or anything trending on social media. What you want to look for is consistent growth or sudden spike in interest. If the trend graph is going up, that means more people are searching for that product, and that's exactly what you want. Another smart strategy is checking the platform like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ad library. If you keep seeing the same product again and again, usually that's a good sign. Because smart advertisers don't spend money on a product that doesn't sell. Now here's the second strategy: product research. This is where most winning products are discovered. A winning product usually solves a problem, save time, make life easier, or create a strong emotional reaction. For example, a dog water bottle solves the problem, a neck massager reduces the pain, a car cleaning gel feels satisfying to watch, a mini printer looks fun and unique. That's exactly why these type of products go viral. You should avoid those products that are too common or boring. Instead, focus on a product that make people say like, wow, I need this. And honestly, this is where Fulfillman.com becomes extremely useful. Because finding the product is one thing, but sourcing it reliably is completely a different challenge. A lot of beginners find winning product and then they lose customer. Why? Because slow shipping, poor quality item, and unreliable support. And Fulfillman.com solves all the problems that every single beginners face. If you found the winning product online but you can't find the good supplier, you can send the Fulfillman.com a product link or a photo. Their sourcing team will find the product for you so that you can start selling right away. That saves the massive amount of time and stress. Now let's talk about the third strategy: validation. This is the step most beginners skip. Just because the product looks good, it doesn't mean people will definitely buy it. You need proofs. So before spending money on ads, check these things. First, check are other stores are selling the same product successfully. Second, does the video has the high engagement like likes, comments, and share? These matters. Third, can you imagine someone buying this product impulsively? Winning products usually create instant desire. People don't think too much before buying them. And here's the another thing: shipping speed is matter a lot. Even the winning product can fail if delivery takes 30 days. And that's why many dropshippers are moving away from slow suppliers like AliExpress. And with Fulfillman.com, you get fast shipping using their own private shipping line that delivers the product 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy, and Spain, 3 to 5 days to UK and France. That's a huge advantage because faster shipping means happier customer, fewer refunds, better reviews, and repeated order. Another thing I personally like about Fulfillman.com, they help seller to scale properly. Once you find the winning product, you can store your inventory into their warehouse for free to speed up the processing time. They also offer custom branding like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and more. So instead looks like a random dropshipping site, your brand looks professional and trustworthy. And this can seriously increase your conversion. Now let me give you a final tip that beginners need to hear. Don't spend months searching the perfect product. Most successful dropshippers test product quickly. The goal is not to be perfect. Goal is to test faster than everyone else. Because sometimes your first product fails, your second product fails, and even the third product fails. And then suddenly one product takes off and everything changes. That's how the real dropshipping works. So start researching daily, study trends, validate product properly, and use the reliable partners like Fulfillman.com to make scaling easier. Because finding the winning product is much easier if you have a right system and the right supplier behind you. You can also follow the Fulfillman.com on their social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel where they create amazing content. Head over to their website, click on a get a free code button and start a profitable dropshipping business today. So that's it. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping tutorials just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.